to show. Actually, that is for another video. Hello friends. I want to say Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! To all the Muslims around the world. Yesterday was a really fun day for my Eid, but we have Eid for 3 days. So, 3 days of yummy recipes, 3 days of having fun, and 3 days of fancy dressing up. How was your Eid? Tell us in the comments below. What did you do in your Eid? Did you eat any yummy food, or did you have a party if you could? Or did you go to a fun place? What did you do in your Eid? Once again, Eid Mubarak! Oh yeah, oh yeah.